meghalayapost.news. Kumshi bentau banyak senok tilang hakari berhak berthei barok kabai ka IA Ayurvedic Medical College ka Skulbah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM mentang kasi kala Rakhe Iaka 9 National Ayurveda Day ka badairu kalingkhu sengikha u Sri Sri Lord Dhanwantri hakani jing Rakhe Iaka National Ayurveda Day la shimenta du Chancellor ka USTM u MHOC u Vice Chancellor Professor GD Sharma u Principal ka IAMC Dr. RK Sharma u Principal ka PA Sangma International Medical College u Professor Dr. BK Das, Advisor USM Dr. RK Sharma but Dr. Dhanishwar Kalita, Principal Barim ka Government Ayurvedic College Guwahati ko munong ay jingkren. Yakani jingrakhi las dangru daka Ayurveda wakatan rally bala pelong haplau ka USM bala shimenta dik samla puli kinong tray wakil ara dik lama baki banar halor kapang Ayurveda Innovation for Global Health lapani paj baru ya ka Ayur Ahara Mela Traditional Food Recipe Fest bala shimenta dik samla puli ban penkre yaktik jimbam bala pani paj ba hagitukan bapher.
We have the rituals, the Dhanvantari Pujan. You know Adidev Dhanvantari, who is the worship god for the Ayurveda. As the Ayurveda is the traditional system of medicine that originated in ancient India, it focuses on achieving balance in the body, mind and spirit to promote holistic well-being. The term Ayurveda is derived from two Sanskrit words. Number one is Ayu, this meaning is life, and Veda, meaning knowledge. Thus, the term Ayurveda denotes the knowledge of life. Government of India has been observing Ayurveda Day every year on Dhanvantari Jayanti, that is very popularly known as Dhanteras, since 2016, to raise awareness about Ayurvedic principles, medicinal herbs and lifestyle practices in India.
When the term comes, the Ayurveda Day, means the practice used since our beginning of culture, traditions, for a global level thinking and the knowledge created by the father of Ayurveda.
Accordingly, at that time, this medical treatment was also taught as Ayurveda. So, Ayurveda is a very old age subject, and at that time, maximum peak of development was happened before the Christ. And what happened? At that time, this Ayurvedic medicine was also supplied to Middle East, then other up to Greece, medical books as well as these Ayurvedic books as well as the different type of medicines, then different type of instrument prepared in India, 101 type of shastra, sharp instrument and blunt instrument, 20 types of different blunt instrument was discovered in India. Still we are using those things. Even from the table many patients went away. So thereafter what I did, those who are failed cases in the field.
Now I place on record our gratitude to our Honorable Chancellor Sir for giving us his valuable time and guiding us in all our steps.
meghalayapost.news.